Welcome everybody, this is the first tutorial video session for Instituto Gandhi's English Level 3. This is the video for 5th grade. We are in the Unit 5, the Airbus A380, and today we will be checking the vocabulary that will be used throughout the unit. We are going to check the pronunciation and some of the definitions of the words, so pay close attention. Calculate. When you calculate, you do an estimation or an approximation of a result based on mathematical operations. Calculate. One of these mathematical operations is the multiplication. Multiply. When you multiply, you get the results of how much it would be if you put certain number on a certain number of times. Multiply. Opposite to the multiplication, we have the division. Divide. The division or dividing is the act of knowing how many times you can fit a number inside another number. Divide. When you get a result, you have to say that the result or the solution is equal to a certain number. Equal means that you have the answer, that you have the result. In this case, it means that a certain question is the same as the number that you're getting. Equal. These calculations can help you get a lot of numbers and probabilities. When you want to calculate the most probable solution, or in this case the most usual probability, we could use the word average. Average would be roughly translated to Spanish as promedio. In this case, it tells us that this is the most frequent, or in this case, most popular result that you can get when you're analyzing data, or at least the most probable or likely to happen. Now, remember that when you are on a flight in a plane, the plane will have to take a certain route. The route is the way that your transportation takes from point A to point B. Many ways to check your route would be the GPS of Google or Waze or different applications, but they help you to find the route. Now, remember that if you're not driving the vehicle, you become a passenger. The passenger is a person who is inside the vehicle, but it's not directing the vehicle to its destination. It is only using it for means of transport. Passenger. Finally, remember that you have to be always 2 hours before your flight. Flight, remember, is what you book. In this case, if you go on a plane, you are going on a flight. For example, I am going on a flight to Cuba. Not right now because we have to stay home and stay safe, but it's an hypothetical situation. That would be all for today. Thank you very much for your attention, and I'll see you on the next video.